Mechanix, a plastic engineering construction set. These are the models. Let's see what's inside. Do-it-yourself manual. These are the plates that we're gonna use to make the airplanes. Here are some more. This is the spanner. These are nuts and bolts. Here's the screw. That's the nut. This is a washer. These are the wheels. That's a screwdriver. Some more bolts. Let's check which model of the airplane we're gonna make. Alright, so we're gonna make this one. For which we're gonna take 2 plates, 2 smaller plates, a big screw, three small screws, 5 bolts, and 2 washers, and a blue square which is a part of the assembly. Alright, and this is also a part for the assembly of the first stage. So we're gonna join these 3 parts with the help of the bolts and screws. So put the screw in and tighten it with the bolt with the help of the screwdriver. You're gonna tighten it. And now the other plate. And similarly, we're gonna attach the other plate. Put a bolt and put the screw in it and tighten it by rolling the screw. Like this. We can use the screwdriver. Now we're gonna attach a fan to it. That's the fan. We're gonna insert a screw in the middle and then a bolt, and then we're gonna tighten it. Now we're gonna put it in the hole here. Then here we have to put another bolt and then tighten it. That's pretty tight now. Now we're gonna attach these 2 plates at the back here using the screws and bolts. So first we're gonna insert this big screw on one plate and then insert a washer, then the other plate and another washer. Pass the screw through this hole and then put another bolt and tighten it. You can use the screwdriver. We need to keep the plate above so we can lift it upside and then tighten it with the screwdriver. Hold the bolt from one side and from the other side you can tighten it. so this is the first part. So now we're gonna make the remaining part the same. We're gonna take 3 smaller plates. And 3 small screws. And 4 balls. And a blue square. And now let's make another part of the plane. We'll take a bolt and insert it in the hole from the inside. So let's place the bolt. Hold it with the help of one finger. And then place a small plate here over the hole. And then insert a screw through the hole and the bolt inside, which is here. So there we go. And tighten the screw on the plate and the bolt inside. Now we're going to place this blue square here. Beside the other square. Like this. And now we have to attach this plate over the other square like this. In order to attach the plate with the square, we're going to use the screw and insert it from the inside like this. And then pass the screw through the hole on the plate like this. We'll tighten it with a bolt. Then we're going to use the spanner to tighten the bolt. Hold the screw from the inside and tighten the bolt like this. Now we need to place these 2 small plates on either side like this. One plate goes here and the other one goes here on the other side. So in order to do that, we're going to place a bolt from the inside, place the plate outside, and then insert the screw and tighten it with a screwdriver. Similarly, on the other side, we're gonna put a bolt from the inside, place the plate outside, and then insert the screw and tighten it. You can use the screwdriver. So this part is also ready. So now we're going to complete the rest of the portion of the airplane, for which we have 2 red plates, and this is called a T. Then we have 2 angles, 2 more yellow plates, 5 screws, and 7 balls. So now let's start by attaching the red plates. So in order to attach them, first we take the T. We need to place it like this. And then we're going to place this longer plate above the T Make sure that we take the center of the T. And now we're going to place a bolt from the inside and insert the screw from the outside and tighten it. Now let's place this angle under the plate, and from the top, insert the screw. We need to put the bolt inside first, and then we're going to put the screw and tighten it. Similarly, on the other side, place the angle, put the bolt, put the screw, and tighten it. Now we're gonna make the side fans, one on this hole and the other on this hole. Alright, so let's do it. Insert the screw through the plate, put a bolt, and insert the screw in the hole like this. And from the inside, put another bolt and tighten it. Okay, it's not working. Let's do it again. Make sure you place the bolt correctly so that the screw goes inside. We're going to make the fan for the other side too. So the screw goes in the plate and the bolt comes on the screw. And then we insert the screw in the hole here. And then there is another bolt that is placed in the inside. And there is another bolt that is placed from the inside. And then the screw is inserted and tighten it. You can use the screwdriver. So now we have to make the wheels, which will go here. So here are the two wheels. And then we have these nuts and a black pipe. So we need to insert the black pipe through these holes like this. Now we're going to insert this red nut and the wheel. And then we're going to insert another red nut on the other side. And place the other wheel. Alright, and the nut here are inserted on the side so that it takes the shape of the pipe. Now we've placed the wheels. And our airplane is moving, as you see. It's ready to take a flight. You see, it moves backwards and forward. Well, happy flying! Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.